Hello everyone. In this video, I will share how to teach English in Indonesia culture. As you know, Indonesia has a variety of cultures. Teaching English in Indonesia requires a deep understanding of the local culture. In order to adapt the teaching approach to existing value communication style and educational expectations. In Indonesia culture, respect and politeness are very important. So, teacher must display formal attitude and respect hierarchy in the classroom. In this slide is food and festival in British American Australia versus Indonesia. Food. British American Australia culture, the use of spice cuisine is simpler. They often use salt, pepper, and calm herbs such as rosemary, thyme. In Indonesia, cuisine is very rich in spice, such as turmeric, ginger, chili, and various other spices are characteristic that create complex. And two is the way of cooking in England tend to be simpler, like they often bake, boil, or fryer. But in Indonesia, the way cooking in Indonesia is very diverse, ranging from frying, boiling, sauteing, to steaming. And the last is the main ingredients in English are often meat like beef, chicken, pork, potatoes, various type of vegetable. And in Indonesia, the main ingredients is including rice, various type of meat like beef, chicken, fish, seafood, vegetable, and various type of nuts. And the next is festival in British American Australia versus in Indonesia. Festival in British American Australia, the first is ancient tradition. Many festivals in England have a long history and are associated with season or historical events. The second, secular. Most festivals in the British American Australia are secular, although some have a religious background. And the last, festive and clean. Festivals in the Western are generally well organized, clean, and environmental friendly. In Indonesia, festival is the first culture diversity. Indonesia has a thousand of islands with various tribes and cultures. This make each region have unique festival with different tradition and ritual. And two, religious. Many festivals in Indonesia are rooted in religious belief, such as Nyepi, Ramadan, and Christmas. And the last, lively. Festivals in Indonesia are usually filled with paradise, traditional dance, music, and traditional food. And for example, food in British American, Australian versus Indonesia, like for breakfast in Western, full English breakfast, oatmeal, cereal with milk, and for lunch like sandwich, fish and chips, pasta, and for dinner, like roast dinner, curry, and pie. In Indonesian, for breakfast, like fried rice, gado-gado, lontong sayur, and for lunch, like nasi padang, satay, nasi uduk, and for dinner, like fried rice, meatballs, and chicken noodle. And the next slide is how to teach English in Indonesian culture. Lesson plans, food and festival. School level, senior high school. The first introduction, warm up question. Start with simple question to activate student knowledge about food and festival. For example, what is your favorite food? Have you ever celebrated a birthday? What festival do you know? What do you know about traditional Indonesia and English food? And the next riddles. Use riddles about food or festival to arouse students' curiosity. And the next is topic introduction. Explain that today we are going to learn about food and festival in Indonesia and England. And the last is show picture of traditional food and popular festival from both countries to arouse student interest. And for the main activities, the first introducing vocabulary. For food, like fried rice, rendang, fish and chips, pizza, sandwich, pie, roast dinner, spicy, sweet, delicious. And for celebration like Lebaran, Nyepi, Christmas, Halloween, Silaturahmi, Open House, Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri, uh, and the second, repetition. Ask students to review the new vocabulary in pairs or small group. And the next discussion, ask students to discuss the similarities and difference between food and celebration in both countries. And the last game, play a guessing game about food or celebration. And the next closing summary. Ask students again what they have learned today. So from the activity, we can uh, teach English in Indonesian culture. So maybe that all I can share with you. I hope we can teach Indonesian culture in teaching English. Thank you.